Good morning, my dears. Welcome back to our video class. Today we are going to learn GK. I think all of you got to a GK textbook. So take your textbook, the first chapter, and it is about my country and my world. And the first chapter is Incredible India. It is about our India, Incredible India. Page number 1 of first chapter, Incredible India. Okay. So, Incredible India. What is meant by incredible? We know that India is our country, and Incredible India. Do you know the meaning of incredible? No. Incredible means impossible to believe or unbelievable. So, it is about unbelievable India. Okay. So, listen. First one. Read these questions carefully and tick the correct answer. Some questions are given here and we have to read the questions carefully and after that tick the correct answer. 3 options are given. We have to tick down the right option. Okay. And the first question, what's the symbol of this? Percentage, isn't it? Yes. So, what percentage of the world's total land area is occupied by India? What percentage of world total land area occupied by India? So we have to find out the percentage of land occupied by India. And the first option 3.6% and the second one 2.4% and the third one is 4.5. Do you know the right answer? And the right answer is 2.4%. That means the world total land area occupied by India is 2.4%. So take down the right option 2.5%. Okay. The next question. Which of these seas lies to the east of India? 3 options are given here. So we have to find out the sea which lies to east of India or east side of India. Arabian Sea, Laccadive Sea, Bay of Bengal. Which sea lies to east of India? And the right option and the right answer is Bay of Bengal. So tick down the third option, Bay of Bengal. Okay. And the third question, which state in India has the largest area under forest cover? Which state in India? These are the states in India and from this state find out the state which has the largest area under forest cover. And the 3 states were Haryana, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh. And the right answer, which is the right answer? It is yes, Madhya Pradesh is the right answer. So take down the right answer, Madhya Pradesh. Okay. And the fourth question, which state in India is the leading producer of saffron? Saffron is a very costly one. So which state of India is the leading producer of saffron? Jammu and Kashmir, Manipur or Himachal Pradesh. In these 3 states, which state is the leading producer of saffron? And the right answer is Jammu Kashmir. Okay. So tick down the fourth option, Jammu Kashmir. Okay. And the next one, which is the southernmost point of India where the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean meet? Okay, so which is the southernmost point of India? So we have to find out the southernmost point of India where Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean meet. Which is the point? Kochi, Kanyakumari or Mahabalipuram? Which is the right answer? It is Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Okay. It is Kanyakumari. In Kanyakumari, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean meet. Then the sixth question, which was the first state in India to be created on the basis of language. On the basis of language, which was the first state in India? Answer: Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. The first option is Andhra Pradesh, the second is Tamil Nadu and the third option is Maharashtra. And the right answer, the state to be created on the basis of language. The first state to be created on the basis of language is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so the right option is Andhra Pradesh. And the last question, Hemis National Park, which is the biggest national park in India, is situated in Hemis National Park. And Hemis National Park, it is the biggest national park in India and it is situated in, where it is situated, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, or Chilka, Odisha, Zeoi, Madhya Pradesh. Do you know the answer? Where is Hemis National Park situated? Yes, the right answer, it is Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so take down the right answer, Ladakh. Once again, listen from the starting. What percentage of the world's total land area is occupied by India? And the right option is 2.4. And the next question, which of these seas lies to the east of India? The sea which lies east of India, and it is Bay of Bengal. And the third question, which state in India has the largest area under forest cover? And the right answer, it is Madhya Pradesh, and the square feet is 77,462. Okay, and the area is 77,462 square kilometer. And the next question, that is the fourth question, which state in India is the leading producer of saffron? So which state is the leading producer of saffron? And the right answer, it is Jammu and Kashmir. And the fifth question, which is the southernmost part of India where the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean meet? And we have to find out the most southernmost point where Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean meet. And the right answer, it is Kanyakumari. And the next question, which is the first state in India to be created on the basis of language? On the basis of language, which was the first state in India? And the right answer, it is Andhra Pradesh, a state in India to be created on the basis of language. And the last question, Hemis National Park, which is the biggest national park in India, is situated in, and India's biggest national park. The name of India's biggest national park is Hemis National Park, and where it is situated? And the right answer is Ladakh. It is in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, did you understand this? Fine. Then after that, 3 pictures are there. First one is snow leopard in Hemis National Park. Okay, Hemis National Park, it is the biggest national park, and here it is a picture of a snow leopard seen in Hemis National Park. And the second one, Crocus sativus flowers yield saffron. This flowers, the name of this flower is Crocus sativus flower, and from this flower we yield saffron. Okay, and the last one, Bay of Bengal. It is the name of the sea, and the sea which lies to the east of India. The sea which lies to the east of India, it is Bay of Bengal, and this is the picture of Bay of Bengal. Okay, so today we learned about Incredible India. Incredible means impossible to believe. We learned 7 questions and their answers. Okay, I think all of you understand this. If you have any doubt, then ask me. So read this, and by heart it. Okay, so it's a time to wind up the class. We'll continue tomorrow. Alfie, take care. Thank you.